Hi everyone! Greetings from beautiful Finland. It is gorgeous here. It's a lovely July day. It's not too hot. I'm out walking my dog and I thought I'd do the intro just here. So, welcome to my very first collaboration. It is Christmas in July. Thank you so much, Donna, for all your hard work putting this together. And thank you, Louise McKay Arts, who was just before me. Go check it out. It's fantastic. So there's a couple of firsts for me here. Never done a collaboration before. So this is really, really exciting for me. And secondly, I have never, ever done a canvas this huge before. It is 100 by 120 centimeters, which makes it roughly 4 foot by 3 foot 3. It is taking up all my studio floor because my studio is tiny but mighty. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the video and I'll see you at the end. Hi again. Right, I may have run into a slight issue. I can't get this canvas in my studio, so I have set up on my back porch, and luckily is you can get the doors closed, so I shouldn't have too many issues while this is drying overnight. So let me just show you the colors I'll be using. My base is a Artist Creation white with a little bit of Amsterdam silver mixed in, and I've gone really back to basics with this painting, and I've just used European Floetrol or Overtrol and water with all of these, and absolutely nothing else added. I've got a tiny bit of, this is a gorgeous color. It's a Liquitex Basics Quinacridone Magenta. It's a really nice sort of a hot pink color. But my main colors are, this is a Amsterdam Carmine, a real nice rich red. This gold is yummy. It's a Amsterdam Deep Gold, and I've just dumped in the rest of my what is it called now, 24 karat gold. So that is a really nice color. It's an Art Deco 24 karat gold, and it's beautiful, goes really nice together. And then just a little bit of Amsterdam Oxide Black. I won't use too much of it so it doesn't take over the colors, and also it's just a little bit thinner than the other ones, so hopefully that won't cause me any issues. So there we go, I'm finally set up, and I'm gonna just pop you up on a tripod and I'll pop some music on for you, and most likely just speed up the video because this will take me a little while. Oh, before I forget, I'm doing an open cup, but I've got a couple of cups with a hole cut right there in the middle, so I can pour through that. So I will speak to you once this is all done. So 50 minutes later, I'm finally done. I'm exhausted. That was a lot harder than I thought. Honestly, big canvases are not easy. I know it looks, just here, it looks uneven. It's not too bad though. There is paint everywhere. It's actually started drying in places. So now I know next time I'm gonna need a lot more paint. But open cup, Dutch pour, massive canvas, and because it is Christmas in July, a little something extra. I'm just gonna sprinkle some little piggy shimmer, which is a interference gold and light green on it. And Donna, you asked us to sing jingle bells, you know, for public safety. No, for everybody's peace of mind. I'm not gonna sing, I'm sorry, but I will go. Right, so I am done. There we go. Let's have a look. You can see in the, there's no other lights. Sorry, I can't even speak anymore. I'm exhausted after that. But the sparkle is coming through really, really nice. That CLP pigment. That looks really, really nice. What do you think? I'd love to hear your thoughts. I should think you would position it upside down from this on your wall. But yeah, I am pleased with that, and I'm glad I left these really cool cells just here. There's some really nice multicolored cells. But anyway, that's me done. Next up, Matilda and Josephine. I'll see you there. See you again. Bye.